Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on proven techniques to help you study, and specifically just content memorization. What is going to help your brain actually retain that information? So the three different techniques are testing yourself, spacing, so leave it, come back to it, and interleaving, which is when you kind of mix up material. So let me get into them. So obviously testing yourself. So why does testing yourself help you with content memorization? Because if you guess the wrong answer, then you figure out why that answer is wrong, and you just remember it and retain it because you got it wrong once, and then you have the additional memory of figuring it out and why the correct answer is the correct answer. Let's see, then spacing. So the reason why you are needing to space it out and come back to it is so that way you are doing a real review. So you've learned it that one time, you've spaced it out, and then when you go back to look at it, you're in complete review mode. Then interleaving. So if you are studying chapter 1, skip over to chapter 2, read a page, come back to chapter 1. Like, as long as you're mixing it up and you're not only on one specific, type of content, even if it is a hobby, look at your hobby, like something to mix up learning. So it doesn't have to be just on what you're studying. It could be something else that you're interested in, something that will make you not really focus on what you need to study, and then coming back to it. So anyway, these are three research proven techniques for content memorization, and I really hope that they help you study, and good luck on your exams.